So, I don't know if you noticed, I've got these magnetic levels on that flat homemade base bit, and it's extremely handy for levelling up the wind turbine tower. We can see there it needs to go over to the left a bit, so I've just done it up on the right, nice and tight, so I'm just going to undo it and you should see it move over a tiny little bit. So it actually moved over too much, so I'm just going to go and tighten the guide ropes again a couple of turns. One more turn. And that's about right. One more time. Sweet, that's looking good. This was the one I was doing up. This one. And there's the one I did earlier. So I know it may be a bit of a cheat, but that does seem to work.